ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। श्लोका 1 to 5. First श्लोका 1. तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः. So Sanjaya says, Madhusudanah, Lord Krishna, idam vakyam uvacha. Lord Krishna says these words to whom? Tam, to Arjuna, who is kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam vishidantam. So, kripaya vishtam, one who is overcome with a sense of compassion, ashrupurna kulekshanam, whose eyes are filled with tears and it is showing agitation, vishidantam, to one who is grieving. So, Lord Krishna is addressing Arjuna, who is in this state. Shloka 2. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kutasstva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupastitam Anarya Jushtamaswargyam Akirtikaram Arjuna. So Lord Krishna says, Hey Arjuna, Kashmalam idam, we have to split it as Kashmalam idam. So he says, idam samupastitam kashmalam. Kashmalam meaning something which is impure or dirty or wrong. So these wrong thoughts, Vishame, at this odd hour, Kutastva, Kutaha tva. From where has it come to you, hey Arjuna? Such kind of thinking is anarya jushtam, aswargyam, akirtikaram. Jushta, anarya jushta, jushta meaning favored, so it is anarya jushta. Arya refers to noble men. So anarya jushta. So this is not favored by the noble, such thoughts. Then aswargyam. This will not take you to heaven. And akirtikaram will not bring you any glory or fame. So this is what Krishna tells Arjuna. Then Shloka 3. Klaibyam masmagamaf partha naitatvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvotishta parantapa. So Lord Krishna goes on to say, Hey Partha, hey Arjuna, Klaibyam masma gamaha. Don't go towards Klaibyam. Klaibyam meaning unmanliness, lack of bravery. So don't go to that. Naitatvayupapadyate, we have to split it as Na etat tvayi upapadyate. In you, this does not suit. So this does not suit you. Then kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvotishta parantapa. Tyaktvotishta, we have to split it as tyaktva uttishta. So shudram, this low feeling, hridaya daurbalyam, weakness of heart, tyaktva, throw it away, and uttishta, stand up, hey Arjuna, hey Parantapa, stand up and fight. Then Shloka 4. Arjuna uvacha Khatam Bhishmamaham Sankhe Dronam cha Madhusudana Ishubhih Pratiyotsami Pujarha Varisudana. So Arjuna tells Krishna, Hey Madhusudana, hey Krishna, Sankhye, in this war, Katam Bhishmam Dronam Ishubhihi Pratiyotyami. How will I in this war fight Bhishma and Drona with my arrows? Pujarha Varisudana. We have to split it as Pujarho Arisudana. Hey Arisudana Krishna, they are Pujarho. Both Bhishma and Drona are worthy of worship. So how would I fight them with my arrow? Says Arjuna. Shloka 5. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum vaikshamapiha loke Hatvarta kamanstu guru nihaiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudira pradigdan. So Arjuna says, Mahanubhavan gurun ahatva. These gurus who are great, Mahanubhavan gurun ahatva, without killing them, Bhaiksham apiha, we have to split it as Bhaiksham api iha loke. In this world, Bhaiksham bhoktum shreyaha. Bhaiksham means alms, begging. So, Bhaiksham bhoktum shreyaha. Living on alms itself is better. Hatvarta kamanstu guruni haiva. We have to split it as Hatva artha kaman tu. Guruni haiva, gurun iha eva. Bhogan rudira pradigdan. We have to see it as Bhogan rudira pradigdan. So what Arjuna is saying is, Gurun hatva, killing your gurus, the arthakaman bhogan, rudira pradigdan bunjiya. So, bunjiya means to consume or to enjoy. So, killing your gurus, it would be like Rudira pradigdan means blood stained. So, you would be enjoying the material comforts which are blood stained. So, it is better that we do not do that, says Arjuna.